How to change Zoom profile name. So first of all, open your Zoom application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on your profile icon on the top left right here. Then if you scroll down, you can see the option of My Profile. Tap on it. Then you'll get the option of Display Name. Tap on this. Then here you can see this is your first name, last name, and your display name. So you can change either of those. I'm going to go with my first name first, then my last name. So after changing your first name and last name, if you do want to change your display name, you can also do that. And here you can see I have successfully done that. Now all you need to do is tap on the save option right here. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully changed our Zoom profile name. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.